Hear the steam whistle? Hear it? It sounds different, doesn't it? Yeah, it makes a different sound because it's a different kind of whistle.
She actually talked to you.
It's way down at the south end of town right now.
What's down from there?
Yeah, it'll come from there, won't it? It's headed north.
I see the ground sizzling well.
Yeah.
Is that some track?
Yeah, that's a siding. They use that sometimes when they're working on the tracks. They'll park stuff over here. So we almost bought the building this siding went with. Hear it? Now, if you wave, the engineer will probably wave back at you when it comes by.
Yeah. The engineer is in the front.
Yep, the engineer's in the train. On a steam engine, it's usually not in the front. They're usually behind the boiler.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're in front. It'll be here in just a minute.
We're ready to take a video of it.
Yep, we're taking a video right now. It's recording, it's not here yet.
You can hold two kids like that.
That's right. Sometimes I carry you and Catherine around like that, don't I? Look, here it comes. Look, that's a diesel in the front, but you're gonna, look, you see the smoke and steam?
Yeah, I do. Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Here that thing comes.
Yeah,
You're getting it.
it's coming through our town, isn't it?
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, you see the headlights on the diesel
And the smoke.
and the smoke.
Like Thomas, but different.
Yeah,
Because
it's bigger than Thomas.
And it's real and it runs outside instead of inside.
That's right. This is one of the biggest passenger steam trains they ever made.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
It's like fire smoke.
It is fire smoke. It's got a fire burning inside it. Did you hear that whistle?
Yeah.
Now that's the diesel's horn. It's like a truck horn.
It's cloudy down there.
Well,
It's fire smoke.
it's fire smoke. That's right. It has a fire burning in it.
It's coming.
Yeah. And the old 522 is going up to get worked on.